Guys, welcome back to Mama Africa's channel. So today I'm going to prepare Ghana jollof in my own way. I'm begging you, if this is not how your country is doing the jollof, feel free to leave comments. I'm not in Ghana right now, so I might not get all of the ingredients used in your recipes, but I'm still gonna try. So today I'm gonna use these green onions here. I have 2 tomatoes, green beans, chicken breasts. I have like 5 onions, carrots. I don't have the scotchy bunny pepper, the spicy one, so I'm gonna use a jalapeno pepper. For spice, I'm using the Goya all-purpose seasoning, jumbo, Maggi cube. If you don't take Maggi cube, so just substitute the Maggi cube with salt. And I'm using this tomato paste for coloring. I just have a little bit, so that's why I have this fresh tomatoes here, so that I can add both of them together. And then I have this this is 1.5 cup of rice. I think I'm gonna add more, and oil. And I also have garlic here, ginger, and plantain. I'm gonna fry the plantain and add it on the jollof. So if you want to see how Mama Africa is doing this, or if you think this might be helpful to you, stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm gonna steam my chicken first before starting everything. So in this blender you have the pepper, the garlic, and the ginger. So I'm gonna mix this together. I forgot to tell you that I added the jumbo Maggi inside, because I don't know why, for a reason it's very hard, so that's why I did that. You want to steam it. I'm gonna pour this. It smells so good already. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover this and let the chicken steam. Okay. So this is another 1.5 onion cut, chopped with green onions. I'm gonna add water in it again. Like so. Pour the water until it reaches here, and now we're gonna blend it again. Open this. Oh my god, this is smelling good. So, I'm gonna take this and pour in this steamed chicken. I'm going to add salt. A little bit. I'm going to add all peppers, season. Just a little bit. Let it steam with the chicken. So now I'm gonna wait this for 15 minutes. Alright, so this is hot oil. I'm gonna add in, sorry for the pot. I'm gonna add in the chopped onions. We're gonna let it sit, and then we'll add our tomato paste. I didn't know I didn't have enough tomato paste. If I knew, I would have bought the bigger ones. Just a little bit inside. So I blended tomatoes so that maybe the color can, But I'm not even sure the color is gonna be red, because of the pepper I'm using is green. So instead of red, the color is gonna be green. I'm sorry for that. If I had enough tomatoes, this would have happened. Sorry to my Ghanaian friends. Okay. So we let the onion cook. So now I'm gonna add the tomato paste and the tomato out. This is so small, like you guys. It's not easy. Okay. I'm gonna add the tomato in now. And as I said, it's because I don't have enough tomato paste. That's why I added this. So, disclaimer, this is not how I'm saying Ghanaian jollof is being made. This is just my way, and I'm using this tomato because I don't have enough tomato paste. So let's this sit for like 20 minutes and then we come back. Okay, you guys. So I separated the chicken. I'm gonna fry this, and then I have the stock here. The stock is actually I mixed this stock with I mixed it with I had to grind pepper, green onions. I mixed it all together with the stock water, the water that was cooking with the chicken here. So now I'm gonna mix it, pour it. I'm gonna pour this into the stew. Just have to be careful, little by little. Yes, this is perfect. You see now, I told you guys this won't be red because of the pepper, green pepper, and the tomato stew, the tomato paste. That wasn't enough. So we're gonna cover this for 25 minutes and then we add the rice. Okay. Sorry for the lighting. I hope like I'm showing you like what I'm doing, so do not worry about you not seeing and everything. At least I'm showing every step I'm doing. So I'm gonna add the rice now. If it's not enough, I'm gonna add more. This will be tasty. This will be very, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna tell you. This is gonna be so tasty. I tried the chicken. I'm frying the chicken now, and the chicken itself is so tasty. So how about the jollof? The jollof. Okay, I'm gonna add more. If it's not enough, just add more. Yes, this is good now. Yes, this is okay now. So I'm gonna put this on low heat because we don't want our jollof to burn. Yes, low heat. Let me show you guys. So now the rice is inside, so it's on low heat. When the water will go, I'll show you what to do next. And by the meantime, and for the meantime, I'm frying the chicken. So like everything is done, remaining the rice, and we're good to eat and have dinner. Okay, so let's open and see. Okay, not bad. So now I'm gonna add this on top. It's freshly washed. And add it. So it's gonna steam it. So let's leave it to steam, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna use foil and cover this up. This is a tip, an African tip. Mostly Africans use rubber. They use let me show you guys. Like they use something like this and cover it, but you know, it may be nasty to people, so I'm using foil. So now I'm gonna cover this and just give 10 minutes, and our jollof is ready. You guys, I'm hungry. Like, I'm hungry. Whoosh, very hot. Ooh, no, no, no. Okay. Cover this for 10 minutes and then good to go. Okay, you guys, so this is your jollof rice. Sorry, it's not red as you know as jollof is supposed to be, because I use so much green peppers and I didn't have enough of tomato paste. So here's the plantain, the shito, and the fried chicken. If you did like this video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you on my next video, and bye.